Mr. Jenkins told me to heat it up. Woo!
Alright, so we have this pack you one chip challenge.
I'm a little nervous. Alright, Jesus.
No, I tend to put hot sauce on everything I eat, so we'll see how this turns out.
Not quite as bad as I thought it was going to be. Ooh, there it comes.
Oh, I can breathe fire. Yeah, I got a little heat on the back end there. Got the hiccups, sir. Ready? I need some ice cream.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, I'm drooling.
Holy
Mr. Jenkins told me to heat it up.
Dude, that's hot.
it burns like fire on the way.
It doesn't get better.
That's painful. Mr. Jenkins told me to heat it up.